Abstract Expressionism is an exciting style of creating art. It's about painting intuitively from the inside out, from the core of who you are as a person. And this expression gives us an opportunity for real creative development. Welcome to the studio, it's Froyle here, and I've been painting for over 30 years, and I'm incredibly passionate about developing your creativity, about drawing you into a space where you can find your creative voice through mixed media and collage techniques. Welcome to class 12 of 100 Days of Collage, Abstract Expressionism in Collage. In this class, we're stepping into a more intuitive and expressive way of creating. We're exploring abstraction through movement, line, color, and mark making, allowing the artwork to unfold without needing a fixed plan or outcome. Over the next 7 lessons, you'll be guided through 7 creative prompts, each one designed to help you loosen control and trust your creative instincts. We'll be working with Gelli printing, collage, bold gestural marks, layered color, and experimental techniques. Not to create anything representational, but to explore how energy, rhythm, and structure can emerge through the creative process. This class is very much about process over perfectionism. It's about letting go, taking risks, and allowing the materials to guide you. You might even find yourself working in ways that are unfamiliar, and that's where the magic happens. Whether you're just beginning your creative journey or you've been making art for years, you'll find plenty here to inspire and encourage you. I'll be guiding you every step of the way, showing you the exact materials I'm using and how you can create the same results. This class is perfect for beginners, and if you're a little more advanced, I know you're going to really enjoy how this class is going to deepen and stretch your creative expression. This is part of my ongoing 100 Days of Collage. It has been an epic journey of self-discovery. We're working in an art journal style that allows for personal expression, creative play, while you're learning technical skills. So much freedom to create, and by the end of the class, you'll have a series of abstract art journal pages and a deeper confidence in trusting your marks, your instincts, and your creative voice. I know you're going to love this. It's one of my absolutely favorite creative art styles. There's so much fun and so much to explore. So let's gather our materials and let's make art.